Hello friends, this is Vaibhav Saini. I'm assistant manager in State Bank of India. So on your suggestion, or you can say some of my subscribers demanded that please solve last year's, at least solve one puzzle, like what is your strategy to solve a puzzle in real exam. And on demand of one of my subscriber, I am making this video in English. She's from southern India, so she demanded to make it in English as she can't understand Hindi. So I'll try. Firstly, I'll cover this in English, and in the second part I'll cover this in Hindi. So let's move on. There are 10 person and they're sitting around a circular table, all are facing inside. Your first reaction must be all are facing inside. It's a piece of cup of cake. It's a cup of cake for you. So let's start. There are 10 person. Must write there are 10 person because many of us make this silly mistake like there are 10 person and we are doing with 8 or 9 person while solving the problem. They're sitting around circular table, so let's make a circle so that you can't go on with a triangle or a rectangle while solving it. There are 3% between C and F. G is second to the left of F. 2% between G and A. A is not immediate neighbor of C, means A is not sitting with C. L is to the immediate left of E. Neither of them are immediate neighbor of A, means neither L nor E are immediate neighbors of A. B is second to the right of K. D is third to the left of C. C is not an immediate neighbor of H. Don't hesitate in making these notations because this will help you a lot while solving the puzzle. C and H are not immediate neighbors. My second strategy is, first strategy is to write the notations. This will take maximum 20 to 25 seconds if you are doing a prelims puzzle. And my second strategy is to change the color of my pen while solving the puzzle in real exam also. So, and third is to make as many possibilities as you can. So there are 10%, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. So now your next query is like with which element you have to start. Like beginners face this problem very much. With which alphabet they have to start. So you have to see which alphabet is repeating maximum times. So I can see F is here also, F is here also. The next point which must come in your mind is which element is which two elements are covering maximum position. Here you can see they are covering 5 position. 3 elements in between and 2 are C and F. So in this also there are 3 elements they are covering and we have a connecting element, that is F. So I will start with these 2 statements. G is second to the left of F. Let F is here. G is second to the left of F. And all are facing inside. So cut it after using this. C and F, there are 3% in middle. So 1, 2, 3, C can be here, and 1, 2, 3, C can be here, facing inside. This is common sense already given in the question. So now we have used these 2 notations. After this there are 2% between G and A can't sit with C. Means A can't be here because C is close neighbor. So A must be here, facing inside. And in this diagram A can't be here, means A is here. Okay, correct. Cut it. Now we have to see D is third to the left of C, means 1, 2, 3. D is here, facing inside. 1, 2, 3. D can't sit here because A is already sitting, means this diagram is wrong. So we have to move on with this diagram. We have used this notation and H can't sit with C, and we have to see there are L is to the immediate left of E. 2 vacant positions together are here only, means L is to the immediate left of E. So we have used this also, and L and E are not sitting with E. So A is far away from L and E, means we are going in a correct way. Now B is second to the right of K. So we can see K should be here and B should be here. So B is second to the right of K. We have used this, and which element is left? H is left. So H will sit here. So if in real exam you can solve this simple puzzle in maximum 3 minutes, 2.5 to 3 minutes you can maximum 2 to 2.5 to 3 minutes you can solve it after writing the notations. The benefit of writing notations is, like in the last, if I get puzzled like which element is left, so I can clearly see I haven't cut this C and H, so C is written means H is left, so we can clearly write. And in the last, if you are facing the issue like you are not able to recognize which element or which line you have not used in the while solving the puzzle, so it will be clearly visible. Like my strategy is to cut the notations after using them, so in the at the last you will clearly see which element is left, so you can utilize this technique for solving the puzzle.